Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a pet cleaning here today. This is going to be 3 rooms in the hallway. We have this one priced at $280, and you can see we have some heavy traffic areas in here. There's a pet staying here. All right, so we're going to be using our Unchained here. Really get the pet odor out. All right, we're spraying that down, so allowing it to dwell and work in. We have this area in here. Still got vacuum in here yet. All right, stay tuned for the cleaning. As you can see by the door, it is clean and the other half is not cleaned yet. Just wanted to show you the results that we do provide. All right, so we did this room here. Looks a lot better if you see the pictures before, the video before. Check this out. Ooh, it smells nasty. You can smell this. As I said, there's no gimmicks. We put clear water in the front. Dirty stuff comes out. Get all that dirt out. This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Sorry for the sweat here. It's a little hot. We're working here. Here's the floor. We put the couch down. The customer was so happy with the way the floors came out when we were doing it. He said, "Can you do the couch, please?" So we got the couch in there. We're working on the upholstery now. I'm gonna show you how the hallway turned out. It turned out amazing. This was really dirty. We got it out really good. Check that out. All right. There we go.